In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your Windows PC to OneDrive. Let's dive right into the process to ensure your files are safely stored in the cloud and accessible whenever you need them. First, make sure you are logged into your OneDrive account. This is crucial because it ensures you have access to OneDrive services when we begin the backup process. If you haven't already signed in, just open your OneDrive app and log in using your Microsoft credentials. Once you've logged in, look towards your system tray or taskbar and click on the OneDrive icon. This icon serves as a gateway to the settings and backup options we're going to adjust. After you click on the OneDrive icon, you'll see several options. So next, click on the small settings icon. Don't be confused if it seems like a lot of options at first. We're just going to focus on the essential settings that'll get our backup process flowing smoothly. With the settings open, move on to the Settings tab. Here is where the magic really begins. You'll want to look for the option labeled Sync and Backup. Clicking on this will bring you to the section where you can manage your backup settings efficiently. Next, you'll find an option called Manage Backup. Clicking here gives you control over which files and folders you want backed up. It's like creating a VIP guest list for your files, ensuring only the most important ones are safeguarded. Take a moment to select the folders you want to include. You might want to think about what files are crucial and which ones you use frequently. Once your folders are selected, the final step in this method is to click Save Changes. By doing so, you finalize your backup settings, and your files will start syncing to OneDrive according to the preferences you've set. Now, just in case you prefer an alternative method, open up File Explorer on your PC. With this traditional route, you can manually select the files or folders you want to back up. Simply highlight the items you want to secure. Finally, drag and drop these selected files and folders into your OneDrive folder. This is an intuitive way to physically manage where your files end up in OneDrive's digital realm. And there you have it. You now know two effective methods to back up your Windows PC to OneDrive. Whether you prefer adjusting settings directly through OneDrive or manually transferring files via File Explorer, both methods offer reliable security for your data. Regular backups ensure you never have to worry about losing important files, giving you peace of mind in your everyday digital activities. Thanks for watching, and happy backing up.